For this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use structural wizard to model using Staad. So instead of using yung mga traditional na options dito like grid or kaya tabulation or using yung command file, we can use another actually parang external tool ito, external app which is connected sa Staad, wherein we can just model yung structure using, if we have like common property dun sa structure natin, like rectangular lang siya and then may mga certain distances yung mga base and then spacing ng mga frames natin, then we can just certainly use this option. So it's under geometry and then dun sa structural wizard dito. So pag sinelect natin yung option na to, structural wizard, may lalabas na bagong application. This is actually a separate application. So we can run this one and perform some operations like magmo-model tayo ng mga typical structures. So typical structures like may mga predefined tayo na uri ng mga truss like yung Pratt, yung Warren, yung lattice, and other types of truss elements. So let's say you want to model yung portion ng roof mo using a certain type, then you can certainly use yung mga options na to. But in our case, ang gusto nating i-model is yung sa may frame model. Although may mga option pa tayo dito na additional, like pwede tayong mag-model ng surface or kaya solids or kaya composite or kaya pwede tayong mag-import. For this demonstration, we will only use frame model. Gamitin natin yung same na model natin from yung previous demonstration. So ito yung imo-model natin. Alright, so please take note of yung orientation dito, Y, X, and Z. Alright, so ang gagamitin nating option dito is for yung frame model, yung bay frame. Kasi yun yung lalagyan natin ng data, yung bay. Alright. So when it comes to yung utilization nito, medyo hindi kasi straightforward yung pagkaka-indicate dito. So whenever you are in doubt, mag-create ka ng fictitious muna or kaya fake na data. So let's say, ilagay natin na yung length is 5. Tapos yung height is 10. Tapos yung width is 15. So that we will know kung alin yung y, alin yung length, alin yung height, and then alin yung width. So i-apply lang natin yan. Yan. So ibig sabihin, ito yung 5 which is yung length. Ibig sabihin yung length is along the x, yung height is along the y, and then yung isang dimension is along the z. Right? So ulitin ulit natin yung operation, bay ulit tayo. Ngayon alam na natin ngayon yung orientation. Yung length is along the x. So ano ba yung x direction natin dito sa model natin? Pagtabihin natin sila. Alright. So bay frame, double click natin, and then yung x direction is in this axis. Alright. So ano yung magiging total length nito? This will be 6.5. So, ilalagay natin dito 6.5. Take note of yung unit dito, naka-meters dapat yan as much as possible. Well, at least for yung model ko, dapat naka-meters yan. Kapag naka-fit sa inyo, may mali dun sa orientation nung, or yung default ng Staad model ninyo. You'll have to fix yung model ninyo. Ayan. So, length ko dito is 6.5 and then maglalagay ako ng dalawang bay. Dalawang bay lang because 1, 2. Dalawang spacing lang siya. And then, kapag ganito yung hinayaan ko lang to na ganyan, ang gagawin niyan is i-space niya na equal parts. So 6.5 divided by 2 is, ilalagay niya na spacing is 3.25. So mali yung spacing na yun. So what I'll do is click this 3 buttons right here. And then yung unang bay ko will be 3. Dapat 3 yan. And then yung pangalawa is 3.5. I'll press OK. So I'm done with yung X. Yung Z naman. So yung Z naman is along this direction. So 5 and then 2. So yung width ko will be 7. And then dalawa rin yung bay. And then yung direction natin from this axis is dapat 5 yung una, 5 and then 2. So, yun yung ilalagay natin dito. 5. Oops. 5 and then 2. And then finally, yung height naman is 6. And then dalawa lang yung bay niya. So, dalawang floors. And then equal height naman sila na tig 3. So, hindi ko nababaguhin yung default. I'll click apply. And ito yung lalabas, which is exactly the same as yung required na model ko dito. And then to finalize yung model ko dito, I'll just go under file and then merge model to Staad.Pro model. And then would you like transfer this prototype into Staad.Pro? Yes. Right? So may option tayo dito to select yung origin. I can just select 0, 0. So ibig sabihin, ang coordinate na to magiging 0, 0. Now, pag gusto mong dito yung 0, 0 mo, so ano dapat yung coordinate mo? Gawin mong 0, 0, negative 7. Yan. So, i-click natin yung OK and then kunin natin yung selector natin. Node cursor dapat 0, 0 yan. Yan. So, ito yung coordinate natin dito sa corner na to. Tama naman na 0, 0. Okay, so that's how we use structural wizard to model typical structure sa Staad. Right? So thank you guys for listening.